Transform your pool days into pure relaxation with the Sloosh Inflatable Pool Lounger. Designed for adults, this floaty offers the ultimate comfort with its supportive backrest, cool mesh seat, and footrest that lets you dip your feet in the water while you lounge. 2 built-in cup holders keep your favorite drinks right within reach, so you never have to leave your floating paradise. Made from durable, high-quality material, this pool lounger supports up to 200 pounds and is built to last all summer long. Whether you're soaking up the sun or just unwinding after a long day, its sleek design and modern style make it the perfect companion for your pool, lake, or beach adventures. Available in multiple colors, the Sloosh Lounger is easy to inflate, lightweight, and portable, so you can take it anywhere. Dive into comfort, sip in style, and float your way to total relaxation. Because with Sloosh, every pool day feels like a vacation.